Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream On the piano. We'll start with the famous intro, which is an arpeggiated chord progression. Your right hand will handle these flowing arpeggios, while your left hand provides a steady bass. Aim for a smooth, even sound, ensuring each note rings clearly. Practice slowly at first, building up your speed and control. This foundational section sets the mood for the entire song. Moving into the verse, you'll encounter a slightly different chord progression that supports the vocal melody. Your left hand will play the root notes, providing a solid harmonic foundation. The right hand will play the corresponding chords, often in inversions to keep them close. Focus on connecting these chords smoothly, ensuring a consistent rhythm. This section requires a steady, supportive feel, preparing for the more expansive chorus. The chorus is where the song truly opens up, demanding a significant increase in both volume and emotional intensity. Use a fuller touch on the keys to achieve this powerful sound. Following the chorus, the bridge provides a beautiful, contrasting melodic section. Here, you might soften your touch slightly, allowing the melody to sing out. Mastering these dynamic shifts is crucial for capturing the song's full emotional arc. For the iconic solo, many pianists choose to simplify the guitar part, adapting it to the keyboard's strengths. Focus on the melodic essence rather than note-for-note accuracy. Finally, the outro brings us back to the familiar arpeggiated intro, but with a gradual decrease in volume. This fading dynamic creates a sense of resolution and closure. Practice this final section to ensure a smooth, controlled, and satisfying end to your performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.